Rahul Easwar, BJP chief, speaks about the selective implementation of the Sabarimala verdict, but also we are seeing how politics is being played, Rahul. Don't you see how the political parties, including the Bharatiya Janata Party, are using the sentiments of the Ayyappa devotees, of the women activists, just for political gains? Or in this, in your fight, everything is fair, let the support come, even if it is political?
Angitji, 2 points. One, we request all political parties, including BJP, Congress and Communists, to support devotees and Article 25 of Indian Constitution. We are thankful a person of the stature of Amit Shah ji has gone on record strongly in support of Sabarimala. And I would also like to point out, beyond politics, Kerala High Court, day before yesterday, severely criticized Kerala government, saying that in the Piravam church case, Kerala government always stood for consensus and stood for a very slow implementation of Supreme Court, saying that we can have mediation and consensus. But in the case of Sabarimala, they had an undue haste and they had some kind of stubbornness in implementing. This is not the word of any politician. This is the word of Honorable High Court while hearing the Piravam case. So let us remember that the leftist government, because they have a inherent hatred towards Hindu belief and traditions, has this kind of attitude that let the temple tradition be trampled upon, and they can wear the mask of a so-called renaissance that they have never participated. But this kind of attitude is not right. We devotees are united. 90% of Kerala is with us. Our Muslim community brothers and Christian community brothers have wholeheartedly supported this movement, and lakhs of women have come out on the road for this. There is a mere age regulation in Sabarimala which is
I just want to, Rahul Easwar, and we have had this debate many times over. I once again want to point out the fact that the law and the constitution of the country, and I'm sure no religious practice would leave out the last denominator, the last person standing. Absolutely. Even if one woman is given this right, if she wants to in fact go to Sabarimala, shouldn't their majority be trying to take care of even that last person, rather than the majoritarian view trying to steamroll, trying to bulldoze the law as it has been granted to the women right now?
No, Angiji, I totally agree with your point that the law is supreme. We don't have an argument that faith is more important than law. Rather, we are asking for Article 25 and the protection given to our denomination or our faith under the Indian Constitution. We believe that this verdict is not right and it is having imbalances. We will fight in January 22nd, 2019 in Supreme Court. 50 review petitions.
Sir, nobody is saying that you can't take it to the court. That's your right. But Brinda Adige, what you see on the ground in Sabarimala, the intimidation tactics. Yesterday, Rajnikant came out in support. It just seems that everybody wants to go with the popular majoritarian sentiment just for the vote bank politics, leaving the last person, as it has been enshrined in the constitution, that not even one person's rights should be in fact trampled with. If Rahul Easwar is talking about the Article 25, right to pray is also for the woman who wants to go to Sabarimala and in fact pray there.
The Supreme Court's verdict for any woman of any age to go inside the temple at Sabarimala and pray is a constitutional right. It is a gender equality right. What Mr. Shah is talking about is no comparison at all. The law that he's talking about, the verdict, is for the entire country. Not a single government has been able to exercise that law where it says that no temple and no mosque and no church and no other place of worship can have loudspeakers, because all of them want to pander to the vote bank. And that is exactly what Rajnikant did, what Amit Shah is doing, the Kerala government is doing, and including Rahul Easwar and all of them. They do not want women to have their rights. They want women to continue to be subjugated and oppressed in the name of religion, in the name of faith.